Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Cheryl Tata Duririt. I came from Philippines. I'm 42 years old. I'm married and I have 3 children. Their ages is 23 years old. The second one is 17 years old and the youngest one is 11 years old. My work experience is I work as nanny in Dubai in 2009 to 2011 and moved to Kuwait to work there in 4 years in one employer. My friend helped me to go to Hong Kong since 2015. I work there also as a domestic helper. I do car washing, I do marketing, I I pick up and bring the baby in the school, and I do cleaning, ironing, and all the household chores in the house. I know how to cook Chinese food. I learned it from my past employer. Hope you hired me and help your family to ease the household work in your home. I'm a trustworthy and hardworking person, loving, caring, and treat your child as my own. I work and tasking and apply time managing on my work to finish all the household work at your home. Thank you, and that's all. Have a nice day, ma'am and sir.